Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Poco X5. And to do this we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. So there's one speaker right here, which is a phone call speaker. Another one we can find at the bottom right here. And there's also something that looks like a speaker right here, but we're gonna check. That might be as well as the microphone. And now let's play some music. If the sound will be coming from both of the speakers, that's a stereo speaker. And if the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and that means this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.